Here's a major thing that police don't want people to know. Book reference. The modern procedures of arrest and post-arrest are actually contrary to early law and are violations of your constitutionally protected rights should you bring the issue up. However, it's impossible to bring up issues of rights being violated if you don't know your rights. The following case citations pertain to how arrest procedures and fingerprinting prior to convictions are unlawful activities. Cases which have sustained a claim of violation of the right of privacy, which have some analogy to the factual situation alleged by the declaration before us, include those in which the right of one arrested not to have his fingerprints and picture disseminated or exhibited prior to conviction, unless he becomes a fugitive from justice, has been recognized. Carr v. Watkins. There is no justification for the taking of fingerprints, photographs, and other measurements in advance of conviction. McGovern v. Van Riper. Compulsory fingerprinting before conviction is an unlawful encroachment upon person in violation of the state and federal constitutions. Fingerprinting before conviction involves prohibited compulsory self-incrimination. People v. Helver. And they violate this every single day because we simply just don't know our rights enough in order to bring these issues up at law. The one arresting has a duty to immediately seek a magistrate, and failure to do so makes a case of false imprisonment. Heath v. Boyd. The taking of the plaintiff's picture before conviction was an illegal act. Hawkins v. Kuhn. Many people in the legal community will argue that these cases are outdated or there's statutes in existence now that makes these procedures okay. However, unconstitutional statutes are null and void ab initio upon a proper constitutional challenge. Constitutional challenges are one of the best solutions at the people's disposal. Now, did you know all that? If you did or if you didn't, please share this right now so we can help people become more aware of their rights in order to enforce their rights. Because contrary to popular belief, we are under a police state that we're not supposed to be under right now. So share this out, comment your thoughts, and go get this literature.